Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. So just gonna do a quick recap of my ES trades today. So coming into the session, you can see some very range bound light days with some nice bell curves here. So coming into the session, I'm pretty much looking to stay range bound unless proven otherwise. Now, prior to today, we had that CPI news release. CPI didn't really take us out of balance. If it did, then I'd look for a shifting condition and look to sort of get long on that retest of that upper range. CPI couldn't really confirm anything. It did go imbalanced a bit, but then I'll show you on the VWAP, and when it comes to sort of reading rhythm, you can see how VWAP balances out. So initially coming into the session, right, so that was your CPI candle. So this is kind of pre-RTH open. So looking at this, right, yeah, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of 4.5 days of range here. But when that's the case, I just like to look at the recent day and a half because that's overlapping. I don't need this, right? Especially if we're in a nice tight range. So here you can see it's very simple. These are my sort of edges of my distribution. So this one would be like somewhere here, somewhere like that. And that's what I would look for. Some people would look at this. I wouldn't look at that because at the time, and I'll show it to you in a sec, right? Some people would look at this one. I'll tell you why. So obviously, the main one here, you've got multiple, right? This is a key level here. Holds a support, support, support again, support, support, support. So that's a very key level. But here also you had a key level here, so you had resistance, resistance, breaks through, support, 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 breaks through, resistance, resistance. So that's another key level. However, coming in, looking at the VWAP, you can clearly see that that mid level is at the level of VWAP. Now, after prices had that CPI burst, it comes in, VWAP's deviations flatten out, VWAP kind of goes flat. So this is not a scenario where I'd be comfortable taking longs. So I was happy to miss out on this trade should this have held, but I was waiting for us to come down to here. That was a sweet spot for me. You can also see we had some exhaustion prints on my study here. We come in, take out these overnight lows, nice exhaustion prints, signaling a possible reversal. Then looking at the footprint chart, you can see sorry, that's the wrong one. So you can see as we come in, all that there, nice sort of stop run there, high sell side dealt with these imbalances, can't really get anywhere. So these are most likely buy limit orders. Now this is what I like to see. So you kind of get this volume stuck at these lows, not much of a range, then huge expansion with this delta. So when I see high sell side or buy side delta with a large range, it's kind of a good confirmation for me to get long. We also created this stacked imbalance, loads of imbalances here in this candle. Not much interest in selling in terms of imbalances. Then this kind of stacked imbalance held a support. I actually entered late because I didn't come to my screens by the time I was at my screens. Whilst this candle print, I was too busy doing other things. And then yeah, I kind of entered late. I'll show you where my entry was. Yeah, so I kind of missed that kind of nice little impulse move up. So I kind of entered there, stop. I got stopped there because I trailed my stop. Obviously, I'm trading my apex. I entered again and then just closed out there. It's a very slow trending day. So yeah, not bad in terms of a trading day. But yeah, pretty simple again. So looking to stay in balance if we are balanced until proven otherwise. So yeah, I guess for tomorrow, if we kind of stay in this range and I'm kind of looking at the same areas, I'll probably zoom it in again just to like I said, if we're so many days in range, I don't need all that. I just need like the most recent sort of 2 days. But it's interesting to see what happens. Maybe overnight we can start trading towards this area and maybe make new highs, or we come back down and stay within this range. But these are our main zones to look out for coming into tomorrow. So hopefully that made sense, guys. Take care. See you later.